The chuckwalla, a common desert reptile in the state of Arizona, performs a unique behavior known as head bobbing. When threatened or trying to impress a mate, the chuckwalla will bob its head in a vertical motion with varying intensities and speeds. However, in order to fully understand the head bobbing behavior, all four of Tinbergen's level of analysis, causation, development, evolution, and function must be addressed. One stimulus that may elicit the response of head bobbing may be due to variation in body size as well as foraging efficiency. Differences in hormonal feedback mechanisms may allow chuckwallas to place themselves appropriately in a social rank. This hormonal regulation was proposed by Michael Romero in 2003 while being demonstrated in Galapagos marine iguanas. Since chuckwallas are extremely territorial, juveniles struggle to find their own territory during the first stages of life. The juveniles see the head bob produced by the older, more mature chuckwallas and must recognize it as a threat. Richard Montanussi discovered in 1977 that if competition arises, a dominance hierarchy will be set, placing the juvenile chuckwallas near the bottom. Juveniles must physically develop and learn from the older males before being able to challenge for territory. The third level of analysis, evolution, can be observed in chuckwalla populations with extremely high density. Since chuckwallas that live in higher density areas are more compacted and interfere with each other's territory, they have evolved different display methods that correspond to a different behavior. For example, behaviors such as assertion display, threat display, and challenge display all have their own unique sequence of events. Matthew Kwiatkowski and Brian Sullivan documented these different unique methods of display in 2001. This same article also demonstrates the functional level or the current value of this adaptation in chuckwallas. Since the chuckwalla population density is so high at South Mountain, the chuckwallas come in contact much more often than they would in a lower density area. The functioning of these multiple display methods keep other chuckwallas aware of what is happening in the territory surrounding them and is a useful tool for survival as well as reproduction.